Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to the Rathco Outdoors channel. I just wanted to do this quick little update for all of you folks real quick. This is a very important update that I wanted to share with everyone. I just received a text message from a friend of mine. He's currently traveling on the Interstate 90, and he informed me that on the I-90, just before the transit road exit, there is a huge accident. Semi rolled over. My friend's text. Oh, excuse me. My friend's text about the incident reads as follows: "Watched it happen. The semi driver got cut off and oversteered the semi onto the shoulder, caught the grass, and it sucked him right in and over. Then he slid back across the highway. They're trying to upright the semi now." Apparently, there's a lot of road crews already on scene, along with emergency employees, where emergency workers are on scene already. So the mess is being cleaned up. If those of you who can avoid the I-90 in the area of the transit road exit, please do so, because traveling is very slow and more than likely, obviously, dangerous. So I just wanted to let everyone know. Again, the I-90 in the area of the transit road exit is shut down and traffic is at a standstill due to a semi truck rolling over. As far as I know, there are no injuries. If I get any more information on this, I will be sure to upload another video concerning it. Thank you all for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, turning on all notifications for Rathco Gaming and this channel, Rathco Outdoors. And thanks for watching this informative update, and I hope that it helps. Take care. Have a good night and drive safe.